25-year-old Cabernet vines, the backbone of our 2007 Cabernet. Exciting stuff. We're going to be breaking open the champagne later today when we have everything in tank. Looking forward to spend the day with you and showing you what we have going on. We are wrapping up the last day of our 2007 harvest, another long, grinding harvest. We have rain in the forecast for tonight, tomorrow, and the next day. So we had a little bit of rain last week, so we decided to go ahead and pick the last little bit of Cabernet Sauvignon that we have hanging. People ask me all the time what makes Napa Valley so special, especially for Cabernet. If you look to our west here, we've got the Mayacamas Mountains on the eastern side. We've got the Vacas Mountains, which both peak out between 2,000 and 3,000 feet. And then in between is a very narrow strip of land, only about 4 or 5 miles as crow flies west to east. What we have here, we have two barrels that are half full with some fruit from a Cabernet vineyard not far from the winery. And what we did, we destemmed it and did not destem it as we do normally, but instead of going through a pump and going to tank, we destemmed it directly into these barrels.